Alright guys, so we're going to do some work on the Nova today. We got some interior work to do. We're going to be working on the head unit. We're going to do some fine tuning on it. So we're going to jump right into it. The first thing we have to do is disconnect the battery. Alright guys, so I'll show you what we're working on today. So I got this head unit a while back ago, and if you can see this lip here, this bezel for it, I believe it's supposed to go behind. And I never took the time to do it the right way, so we're going to take this head unit out and put this on the correct way. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so one of the first things we also have to work on while we're in here is I need to have some actual support for the head unit. The only thing sadly holding it in there right now is the the shaft buttons. There's nuts on there, but we're going to actually put some support in the back and get those set up. So I'm going to take these off. I think I have the right size. Doesn't look like I do. I couldn't remember what it was. I thought it was half for some reason. I will be right back. Alright, now we're good to go. Got my sockets over here. These shouldn't be in there all that tight at all. Let's see, how's that? So I think that's, could have swore it was half. Now this makes me look really bad. It's really hard to tell. I think it was half. I'm trying to remember what I used to tighten them on there with. I think I got on there. Yeah, now we're getting there. It was half. Should have trusted myself. Okay. Get this bad boy off. And this should slide out fairly easy. But yeah, so we're going to get some support going for the back because it kind of rattles a little bit while we're driving. Nothing bad. It's also really cold in here. I think it's like 30 degrees out. And while I'm working on this, I'll give you guys an update. I had the meeting for starting a car club here where I'm at, and I think it went fairly well. I'm doing it at a community college, so there's a lot that goes into it. Here, one second. Also, you're going to have to excuse my awkward sitting angles that I will be in for this video. There's not really a good angle to do any of this from. So let's see if we can't unplug all of this here. It should be the only one getting plugged, the only thing getting plugged in there. It should be good to come out now. There we go. Okay, so now is all we're going to do is we're going to grab, we got our faceplate, and we're going to see if this goes in this way or not. I'm fairly certain this is the way it was supposed to go in. This is very awkward, not gonna lie. Okay. See, that's the issue, is that it doesn't really fit the way that it should. Yeah. Trying to decide if shaving off a little bit of metal is going to be the end of the world or not. don't really want to. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I think I have an extra faceplate somewhere, so I'm gonna go look for that and see if it fits better. I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright guys, so it's the next day and we're back at it again. So I got my Dremel battery all charged up and we're gonna go for it and see how this goes. So I will probably speed this part up, so I will talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, now we got the red socket. Tighten this on there. Okay, one's on there. Don't go too tight. May not have to put any support brackets on the back, but we'll see. Okay, there, remember how this goes. I believe it goes rubber boots. And then we need the chrome knobs. Go. And then the buttons. Oh, my hands are cold, so this is really tricky. Come on. There we go. And chrome button. Okay, I keep forgetting that these don't slide in all the way. And come on. Let's see. Imagine it's gonna go on there, like so. And then the chrome faceplate we're gonna use is this one. And for some reason, it is not wanting to fit. Probably need to tilt this up. There we go. Come on. It's a snug fit, but it looks really good. I like that. I'm a lot happier with that. I will give you guys a glimpse of that in 1 second. Alright guys, so this is the after version. It looks a lot smoother and a lot cleaner. It's just one of those small little details that have been bugging me for a while, and I finally got around to doing it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. There'll be a few more smaller projects like that coming up on the car. In the next month or so, I hope to be able to complete the 327. And hopefully that'll be done and in the car by the end of February. Also guys, I also have a secret project coming up on the channel, so make sure you guys keep tuned for that. And